just gonna break that.
No,
That's just gonna.
A little bit easier.
Do you think that your dyno is going to be able to handle this? Because
You know what?
this is going to be some serious horsepower. It might just break it. I don't know.
We have a poll online, over 130, under 130. You know?
Yeah.
Hey, I think they voted over 130, like over 100 people, so we'll see.
I'm just hoping it turns the drum. That's.
All right, here we go. 550.
If you
Make
squeeze.
sure we delete those numbers.
Right?
First.
No, no.
Delete those numbers.
No, keep those up.
Yeah, I wonder if he knew we were going to shut this car down the dyno. Oh my God.
Look, it's first run. It's 525.83.
So, we're really going to do a poll?
Yeah.
Or this is just for pictures?
No, go ahead. Make a pool. Yeah.
You're not going to be very impressed.
Here we go.
What's your guess? 128?
128.
Derek?
I ain't making 100.
That's
It ain't making three digits.
It's gonna go
It's not going to make 3 digits.
108.
I think so.
Get my laptop.
What's that?
Get my laptop.
Right there. It's gonna say danger to manifold, so be careful.
They check the intake manifold.
Right there. Say danger to manifold yet? Are we good? Are we all right?
Yeah, we're getting
Okay,
there.
gotcha. All right.
Look, I started typing
Hey Troy, you gotta visualize the win, brother, all right?
No, you know what?
You can manipulate this to make 1,000, right?
Unfortunately, no. I can change the torque, but I can't change the horsepower.
It's about to get real serious, don't you worry. What's our baseline number? What's your response now?
Brother,
I did not see that one coming. Oh man,
messed up.
that is funny.
Oh shoot, you know what? If we're gonna be honest, I have bad news.
What's wrong?
It shifted to the next gear.
Oh.
You might be right. Yeah, it blipped out.
Oh.
Actually might be.
You can do another pool if you want. Go ahead.
Yeah, we don't do another pool.
We got to get a realistic number here.
Right at 100.
Second pool, let's see. Wow.
Yeah, the big Jarule.
It's amazing the dyno is still together right now.
Wow, it shifted. Yeah, it shifted on the other pass. And psyched us out right here.
You can see where it's fucking right
Yeah, because it shifted to the next gear.
In my eyes, the first numbers are
Yeah,
always
yeah. I was like, man, I didn't feel like 149. Like, wow.
Oh, man. Thanks for doing that, man.
Oh, yes, you already know.
That'll be the only slow car we have, right? Please?
Yes.
We know it's slow one?
Yep.
Okay, so we're doing one more to back up the 100.
Yeah, we can do
Where's
one
the
more.
whole second car? One more to back up the 100.
There we go.
What? 15?
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. Where's it at? Where's the 12-second car?
It's sitting under a tree right now. It's only 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
There's only 10. We're way off. Alright, you made 3 digits. I think I'm good at it. Didn't make much 3 digits. They shifted.
90.
No. I said it was make 3 digits. You told me. So how does it feel to be the slowest thing ever dyno at Trilogy Performance?
Feels great.
Feels great?
Feels great.
Okay.
I got no regrets.
No regrets?
I know.
Put that in there. So yeah, that's what it made. It made 149 because it shifted. It shifted.
In the middle of the shift.
And then it made 101 and then it made 97.
So it did break 3 figures, 3 numbers, so doesn't matter. Winning's winning, whether you win by
you're
inch
gonna use this
or a
line?
mile.
Why are you gonna use that line? Like, isn't it like the most, no, that's not really played out very much, but. All right, we're back home. We have to go back in the garage.
Yep.
Thank you for following, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you guys next time.
A lot of amazing content coming up, guys. Letty's 240, the RX-7, and you guys know all the other cars that we have, and you never know what's going to end up in the garage thereafter. So please follow, like, subscribe, because the content is just getting started.